Daudi, what a big surprise. Do people still surprise these days? What a big surprise. I hate surprises. I don't want surprises. When I think of what happened to me on my birthday, I hate surprises. And I don't want to think about them. How can you bring it to your friend Akabangali of police? You are surprising your friend with Akabangali police. Yeah? Some people will die quickly. I can't die. They said like if we die, we die, but I cannot die like that. Like a piggy. No. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, the professor is right here in the building. The professor, these days, you know, very many students are still at home. So the management sat down with this professor. This professor, and they discussed about many issues. And one of the issues they discussed about was you, the students who are still at home at this time, that you should learn. This man should sensitize you. He's going to teach you. He's a professional teacher. So, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you the professional teacher, the big man who is going to teach you in this lockdown. I know that many of you are going to start, but some of you are still at home. You who are still at home, we have a teacher, a professor, a big man. He's here in the building. You are going to learn whatever you want to know, whichever you want to be. You're most welcome.
Yes, sir.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine with you.
How is the going, sir?
We are just moving.
Uganda loves you so much.
Uganda is sweet.
Everyone is talking about you.
Yes.
People are saying that, oh, where did you get that man?
Yeah.
Everyone is asking.
I always there.
Everyone is asking. Obama was asking that where did you get that brave man?
And people will be still asking because they don't know me.
People.
And because I am as I am.
Yeah.
As God created me, like that.
You even saw Daudi beating Goliyasi. Is it true?
Yes.
Where were you?
I was there upside.
Hey.
They were there on the ground.
On the side, road side.
The road side.
Looking at you.
Hey. Looking at Daudi walking slowly. Goliyasi is there. Says a big man, is a Kanya man, and Goliyasi comes slowly.
Where did David go to the stone?
Yeah, David is the one who gave him.
You were the You were the one who gave David the stone to beat Goliyasi.
When Daudi looking outside and said finding a stone, said Daudi, this is the stone. How did you touch it?
And you gave him the stone?
Yeah.
Why are these people, they do not talk about you anywhere?
I don't know.
You are nowhere to be seen in any...
Have you ever heard Walugeme talking on Tutumufu?
Yes,
talking about me?
No, I have never heard.
But God knows me. I don't want people to know me. If God knows me, I don't mind.
You don't mind?
No.
The good thing God knows you.
As if they don't talk about me, I don't mind.
You don't mind?
I'm the one who see Kayikuzi. It's Warumbe land from the area.
You saw Kayikuzi? Really?
When I was from Mitiana, I reached out to Bulenga. I saw Warumbe land very far. Warumbe is very land speedy. When after seeing Warumbe, I meet Kayikuzi. Kayikuzi asked me, have you ever seen Warumbe? I said, this is going to reach Mama Fina's area there.
Really?
Kayikuzi is a very tall man. He was a very tall man.
Kayikuzi? He was very tall?
Yeah.
You saw Kayikuzi?
Yeah. You asking what?
Now, students are listening to you.
Yeah.
They want to learn. It's time for learning. Students, give us your ears.
Yeah.
What is subsistence farming?
You are asking a very good question and a very important question. And it is going to help that children which is in a lockdown, which is not going to school. And you thank God because
we have you.
Yeah.
What is subsistence farming?
Subsistence farming is a farming of when you starting planting something with a plantation. Is a plantation you planted it somewhere, and then when you big the big farmaika.
Fig farmaika.
When you get a fig farmaika, that's it. You prepare your garden, and you get a fig farmaika as a farm manager. That is the farming. Subsistence farming, you must have a manager which is very popular, and knows how to be farming. That's a fig farmaika. The fig farmaika is not easy. Don't say fig farmaika is like that, like a fig farmaika.
Okay.
No.
Thank you.
If you want subsistence farming, you get a farm manager, which is nowhere. No, everybody knows.
So, are you still explaining? Or?
Yes, you children, you have to know that.
Now, if someone...
You can't be in subsistence farming and you get a plantation over Nkomama, do you know Nkomamawanga? How could you say Nkomamawanga? I don't know. Don't explain Nkomamawanga. That's also...
What is mulching?
You are right.
What is mulching?
You are right to asking me this question. Because mulching, when you become one of the and become an old man, don't think you are going to be back to the youth. You are entering the mulching because you are going somewhere.
What is
mulching? It means that you are going.
What is mulching?
If you are performing as a youth, if you are youth.
What
if you are an old man, you perform as an old man, but you're mulching.
What is mulching?
From youth areas, you go to an old.
What is mulching?
The mulching.